Hello everybody and welcome back to Tips and Tricks for dot2. We are now a little series about effects in dot2 and my name is Michael Qincy Stratman from tech support here in Paderborn at MA Lighting International. In the last Tips and Tricks clip we have seen that the console spreads out the face angle for you in effects. So we've got a selection here, all of my spots, and they should do an effect on position and tilt sinus, go for it, and you see the starting angle is different, like we show in our little picture here. So that's an offer from the console. That's where we want to continue. So it spreads out the total amount of your lights, which are 6 spots here. It takes a selection in your selection order and spreads it out between 0 and 360 degrees. So what the console does, we had a look at it when we jumped with next through it. The first one is on face angle 0, like we've seen there. This is a little bit repeat about this. The next one is at 60, 120, and so on. So the difference, the console doesn't take 0 through 360, even if it shows that to you. The setter gets them all back. It doesn't show here, but if you enter here, you see that 0 through 360. It isn't 0 through 360, as 0 and 360 would do the same. So this light and the first light would look the same. They start here, they start here. So what the console does again is takes your amount of lights and divides it through 360. And out comes 60. So the difference between this one, the last one in my selection, and the first one is exactly 60 degrees, like the distance from light to light. And you can try that by selecting 7, 8 or 500. The console always avoids 360 and divides your selection amount through 0 through 360. So once again, I select my spots, 6, and say position, do position template or template effect number 7, and it does it. This is what it shows to you. And if you play a little bit with the face angle, and I want you to do that, let's start at 0 face angle, which would be here. You see that there's no difference in what happens on stage when you select all of them doing the same face angle. You might have asked yourself, why do they offer that? How do you get back here? And this is one of the first tips and tricks in this clip. What's my default? Where can I go back? I've played a little bit. I like it or not. How can I get back? And this is your default. This is how it starts. It tells you on the button 0 through minus 360. Forget about the minus. But this is the default. This is the spread out that we mean. Just to make it clearer for you to understand, this means spread them out. It doesn't mean exactly through 360. You can type that in, of course. You can say 0 through 360 by your own. And if you type it in, that means you really mean that. And now it does it. And you can see this is now 0 through 360. Really? And the first and the last one do the same. Maybe you like that, then you've seen the next tips and trick, or you've seen the next trick here, how to do that. But I want you to play with it, or you can use, of course, the align for this. Start at somewhere, 0 or 90, that doesn't matter, and use the align to spread that up. Maybe 0 through 90. So this would like this, they are all here, so the distance between them is smaller, and this is what you can see. And this is especially nice when you speed them up a bit, or if you are in a 90-degree angle. And let's have a look. This looks better. Now you see your size. But this can look really nice. So please play with this. And we have put in wings. Wings in the face angle means a wing means mirror it in the middle. You see it puts a mirror. These do the same, these do the same. So We never want to hear again that there are not enough effects in. There are, but we give you the shape and you decide what you like from it. That's it for today. Hope you like it, so please play with the face angle and yeah, have fun. Take care. That's it for today. Bye.